In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update story points in Jira. If you're using Jira for project management, you know that updating story points is essential in reflecting the current workload accurately and helping your team allocate resources effectively. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, launch your Jira application and head to the specific project you want to work with. This could be any ongoing project you have on your dashboard with tasks or issues that need management. Navigating to the right project is crucial because each project may have its own unique set of issues and priorities. Once you are in the project view, you should see a navigation pane at the top. Next, locate and click on Issues. The Issues tab is typically positioned at the top of the screen. Once clicked, it will open up a list of all ongoing tasks and issues related to your project. This section is like a comprehensive index of everything that needs attention in your project, so it's crucial to have accurate information here. Now you'll need to open the specific Jira issue you want to update. This could be any issue that you're currently working on or that needs a reassessment of its story points. Finding the right issue might require scrolling or a quick search, especially if you're dealing with a large project. Once you've opened the specific issue, look for the story point estimate field. You'll typically find this field on the right hand side of the issue details page. Story points offer a way to measure the effort required to complete a task, so making sure you have the most accurate estimate is vital for planning. If you don't see the field immediately, try expanding or scrolling through the issue details. After locating the story point estimate field, it's time to update it. Click on the field to make it editable. Now, type in the new story point value that you or your team have decided upon. This could be based on recent discussions during a sprint planning session, or an updated understanding of the task's complexity. Once you've entered the new value, simply click away from the field. This simple action, clicking away, will save your changes automatically. To ensure that your changes are fully updated in the system, you might need to click on a check button or any confirmation option provided by Jira. This extra step helps confirm all changes have been noted and properly saved within your project. Once done, your Jira issue will reflect the current story point estimate, helping your team manage tasks more effectively. And that's it, you've successfully updated the story points in your Jira project. Regularly updating these values can greatly enhance your team's efficiency by providing clearer insight into task priorities and workloads. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful Jira tutorials.